know you've seen people accumulate 7 million, 10 million, and even 40 million RP on Bittoken before conversion, and you were like, is there something these people are not telling me? How can someone, accumulate up to 40 million RP before conversion? Yes, there's something they are not telling you, and I'm here to tell you that thing in this video. I'll be telling you how you can be able to make at least 100k RP every single day on Bittoken. When I say at least, I mean you can make more depending on the work you put in, but the least amount of RP you make with this method is 100k RP. And if you can be able to, be consistent with this particular method, that means you'll be getting 1 million RP every 10 days. All right. So in 30 days, you must have gotten a lot of RP, which, converts to some amount of Bittokens doing conversion. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Grow with Joseph, and on this space you already know we share tips, tricks of how you can make money online. We also do passive income reviews, that is to say we test updates before some of them are even released, or before some of them become popular. So if you've been wondering which update is legit, which one is fake, then this is the right channel for you to follow. Click on the subscribe button, turn on the post notification so you'll be the first to always get updated. All right, let's go ahead. Let me show you how you can be able to make at least 100k RP every single day on Bittoken. But before I do that, let me quickly do a recap of what Bittoken is all about. That is for those who are seeing this video or who are hearing about Bittoken for the first time. Now, this is just a crypto mining project. For those of you who are into Web3, you know what I'm talking about. It's a crypto mining project where you mine crypto, you mine a particular token, and then you can be able to sell it when this particular token is listed or introduced into the crypto market. All right, Bittoken is a very big project, and it has been paying, it has paid out massively already. People are cashing out from it. Mind you that this is not a financial advice. This is just me sharing my own experience. All right, this video is for educational and informational purpose only, and I have no intention of influencing your financial decision with this particular video. So do well to do your own research before you make any financial decision. All right guys, so when you open your Bittoken app, like you already know, you have the first button you see is the mine or the mining button, and when you look below, you see some other buttons. You see the boost button, the streak button, draw, support, and white paper. Now below again, you will see some other buttons. You see your profile, you see your team, you see the mine, and then you see the earn wallet and logout buttons. Now there are some buttons which we are going to focus on for the purpose of this particular video. The first one is the mining button. Now this is where you mine your RP. This one is, you must normally mine this particular token. It is a must, all right, if you want to benefit from this. So this one, every 2 hours you just come and click on the mine button, or you click on the claim button to claim your accumulated RP. All right, now the next button, after the mine button, the next button on your right is the earn button, and this is where I'll be showing you how to get at least 100k RP every single day. So if you click on earn, now you see Bittoken is currently giving 5,000 RP per ad you watch, meaning if you watch any ad you watch, you understand, you get 5,000 RP. And the good thing is that they give 20 ads per day for each account, meaning every day you are eligible to earn 100k RP just by viewing 20 ads. And the good thing is these ads last for just 5 seconds ads. They are not very long. There are times when they will give you 30 seconds ads, but not very often. Most often you get to view just 5 seconds ad, and if you can view 20 of them every day, you get 100k RP, which is something really, really huge. Trust me, I know the potential this particular project carries. Now, aside that, you can also go ahead to boost your mining hours. All right, so instead of you coming back to claim every after 2 hours, just click on the boost button, and when you click on it, you see you have 2 icons. The first one is the buy bot miner. Now this is for people who want to buy bots, people who don't have the time to always come back and claim, you understand. They just buy their bot and the bots do the work for them. The bot is always there to claim their ROPs or mine for them. All right. Now the second one is the watch ads to increase your claim interval, meaning instead of you to come back and claim every 2 hours, you can just go ahead and view ads to increase your interval. So by the time you come to claim, or by the time you want to claim, you must have accumulated enough or much ROPs. All right. Now every single day you get 11 ads for this particular section. All right, you get 11 ads to view, meaning if you can view all those 11 ads, you'll be claiming every 23 hours. Now for that 23 hours, you get over 700 ROPs, right? 700 ROP. Now another thing is that when you want to claim your ROP, this is the third way of accumulating ROP on Bittoken. When you want to claim your ROP, when you click on claim, you have two options. The first one is confirm claim, and the second one is watch ad to double your rewards. If you click on the watch ad to double your rewards, they are going to times 2 your accumulated ROP. So if you have 120 ROP and you click on claim, then click on watch ad, you'll be getting 240 ROPs instead of 120 ROPs. Now I've given you guys 3 ways which you can increase, your earnings on Bittoken. The first one is the claim button. The second one is to boost your mining interval, and the third one is to, double your rewards, right? Now, the third one, which is the most profitable, that is how a lot of people make millions of ROPs on Bittoken, is by building a team. I don't hide updates, all right? Building a team, all right? So now, for each person you refer on Bittoken, you get 50,000 ROP. Now I'll repeat that again. For each person you refer on Bittoken, you get 50,000 ROP. Meaning if you can refer like 10 or 5 people per day, you'll be getting lots of ROPs. This is how these people were able to accumulate 40 million, 10 million, not just by mining or watching ads. But if you know you cannot be fair and then you just focus on viewing these ads, you'll be getting 100k ROP per day, which is still good. All right. Before every 16th, you must have gotten lots of ROPs, which will convert to something huge, as regards to Bittoken. Now, so for each friend you refer, you'll be getting 50,000 ROP, and it doesn't end there. After getting 50,000 ROPs, there are some extra rewards you get when you meet, when you reach some milestones. Now, if you click on the direct referral bonus, it's going to show you the ones you can claim. That is for all, the friends you've referred, the ones which are available for you to claim. All right, that this is where you come and claim when you refer somebody. Now, the second one is the direct referral extra bonus, which is the reward they give to you depending on the amount of people you invite, you invite to this platform. So if you invite 10 people, there's a reward they give to you. If you invite 20 people, there's a reward they give to you. All right. Now, the third one is the 3-level rebate commission. 3-level rebate commission. Now, this is commission you earn from your downlines. So when you refer somebody, you get 50,000 ROP. Now, you get a percentage from all the earnings this person, from all what this person earned on this particular platform. So when this person makes 100,000 ROP, you still get a percentage. All right. So this 3-level rebate commission, you still claim ROPs from here. So if you want to make millions of ROPs on Bittoken before every conversion, make sure to refer people. Build your team. I tell you, you will always see yourself hitting 10 million, 20 million, 7 million ROPs. Start building your team. You can invite your friends, your family, your loved ones, so they too can, benefit from this, wonderful project. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. I remain your humble host, Sir Joe. Now, like I said earlier, this video is not a financial advice. It is just me sharing my own experience. Always do well to seek financial help or financial advice from, a trained financial professional. All right. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a content creator sharing his experience, and this video is just to educate you and to get make you informed. It is not to influence your financial decision in any way. See you in a subsequent episode. Bye.